Hi everybody, Hubby here with Just About Anything Garage. I wanted to take a second just to give you a short here to talk to you about a couple of my favorite tools that I use when I do projects. Okay, so let me introduce you to those tools and we'll talk a little about them. Here they are right here. We have a 3-pound sledgehammer and a 8-pound sledgehammer. The 3-pound sledgehammer we refer to as Thor, and the larger one we refer to as Zeus. And the reason for that is that they're my favorite tools. I don't know about you, but whenever I start a project, there's always a section where the project gives you a problem and you get frustrated. So when that happens, what we do is we reach for our friend Thor here, and Thor comes on over, and Thor gets placed on the fender of the offending project. Not that Ghost, our 77 Corvette here, is an offending project jet. It's not, but she is agreeable to being a model for what we're doing here. And in 85% of the time, placing that there will appease or send a message that ensuing violence is about to happen to the project spirits, the project gods, and things will clear up. In the event that it doesn't, we go ahead and we reach for our good old friend Zeus right here. And we take Zeus and we lean Zeus right up against the project, such as that. And further sending a message to the project gods, and in about another 5% of the cases, the project gods will be appeased and will recognize that violence is about to ensue. And since how they want to get through the project without having destruction in most cases, the frustration, the issue that we're having will disappear, and we'll be able to go ahead and get it done. But that still leaves 10%. And that 10% of the cases, what happens is we turn our attention away from that particular project and we go to other projects such as this C30 here and or the 66 Craft American Skier in the back there. Okay, so what we're doing here basically is just a cute way to tell you that don't be surprised during the Ghost project or any other project that we run that all of a sudden a little bit of stuff stops, or we slow down, or there's a longer delay between when we release the next videos that we're trying to do on that in favor of something that comes up. It could be maintenance, it could be working on another project, it could be something else. It's my way of getting through, thinking things through, getting away from the frustration of a project for a little bit while, and then coming back to it once we figured out how we're going to go ahead and handle that. So I just thought I'd let you know in a quick, short video that what's coming up, because we're starting to really crank up on these projects, and I want you to know if all of a sudden one gets inserted in it. Anyways, I appreciate your time. Thanks for listening to it. Do all that jazz for me if you would, and keep watching, because we got some really good stuff coming.